class we are going to see chemical reactions, that is chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Okay, the first one, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Because of this alkyl or aryl alcohol, it contains OH group, so the OH bond cleaved, so it's what's happened. Okay, this is a concept, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Okay, the first one, acidity of alcohols and phenols. Okay, listen carefully. That is the alkyl alcohol react with active metal like sodium or potassium or aluminium. It gives the corresponding alkoxides. Okay, sodium means it produces sodium alkoxide, aluminium means aluminium alkoxides, potassium means potassium alkoxide, and H2, releasing of H2. Okay, the same thing, the aryl alcohol react with sodium metal, it produces sodium phenoxide. Okay, sodium phenoxide and H2. Okay, so these two above reactions indicates that these alcohols and phenol, alcohol and phenol are acidic in nature. Okay, because of, so you studied in your 11th standard Bronsted acid concept. What is mean by Bronsted acid concept? That is, it can donate the pair of electrons. Okay, the H plus proton transformations. Okay, so that rule, that is the base accept the pair of electrons and acid donate the pair of electrons. So it gives, acid gives a conjugate base and base gives a conjugate acid. This and all you studied in that 11th standard. So due to this concept, both alcohol and this phenol act as a acidic in nature. Okay, so the second, this is, keep it in your mind, very very important. Okay, right. The second one, the same alcohol and phenol react with alkali, sodium hydroxide. So here there is no reactions takes place, but the phenol react with alkali, it produces sodium phenoxide. Okay, so these two reactions indicates that the phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Okay, first of all we studied that is both alcohol and phenols are acidic because of the Lowry Bronsted concept. But here compared to alcohol and phenol, the sodium phenoxide is a more acidic. Why? Because of this alcohol means the alkoxide, the R group is a electron releasing group. Okay, electron releasing group means plus I effect. Okay, so plus I effect, that is the decrease the acidic character, but this here the electron withdrawing group, the minus I effect, because of the pair of electrons donating to this carbon atom, it creates partially double bond, the pi bond T localizations takes place, it produces more resonatic. More resonatic means it will, the higher the resonatic structure, higher would be the more stable. So compared to this alcohol and phenol, that phenol is a more acidic character because of minus I effect as well as a resonatic structure. Okay, here there is no delocalization takes place. Okay, because of plus I effect and electron releasing group. Okay, right. So after that, the order of acidity of alcohols. Okay, first primary comes first and secondary comes first and tertiary comes at least. Okay, so why? Because of the least one. Okay, listen, because of the acidic character of alcohol is due to the polarity of OH bond. Okay, here the presence of alkyl methyl group and ethyl group, the nature of electron releasing group. Okay, so electron releasing group, the more electron releasing, at what happen, the electron density is more in oxygen. Okay, so electron keep on releasing at the time, this is a highly electronegative element, so all the electrons accept, finally it gets more electron density. Okay, so here this more, the density of this oxygen atom, it leads to decrease the polarity of OH group. If decrease the polarity of OH group, the acidic character also decreases. So that only, because of the primary alcohol is a more acidic and compared to the least one is tertiary. Because of why? Because of 3 alkyl groups are present, so keep on releasing electrons. This particular oxygen, it gets more electron density, so after that what happening, the greater polarity, okay, because of least polarity of OH bond, okay, so that this is a least. ஏன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா, ஒரு அல்கைல் குரூப்புக்கு வந்து என்னது, இந்த பொலாரிட்டி கொஞ்சமாக கம்மியாகும். இதே இது மோர் அல்கைல் குரூப் இருந்தது அப்படின்னா நமக்கு என்ன நடக்கும், கீப் ஆன் ரிலீஸிங். அப்போ இங்கே எலக்ட்ரான் டென்சிட்டி அதிகமாகும்போது கிரேட்டர் த பொலாரிட்டி, கிரேட்டர் would be the least decreasing the acidic character. Okay, so that among these primary, secondary, tertiary, primary would be a more acidic, after that secondary, after the tertiary. Okay, students, you listen here. Listen, students, you listen in your textbook, the one more questions usually asked. Okay, so listen here. Alcohols are weaker acid than water. Okay, because here the acid, the alcohol and alcohol react with water. Here the water act as a act as a acid character. The alcohol and the act as a base character. Because of acid means donate the pair, a base means acceptor. Here the alcohol, the nature of accept the H plus proton, the acid is donate the pair, H plus proton to the base like this alcohol. Okay, so it produce base produce conjugate acid and acid produce conjugate base. This is Bronsted-Lewis concept, the Lewis-Bronsted concept, acid base concept. Okay, so this reaction shows that water is a better proton donor because of it act as a acid. Okay, so stronger acid than alcohol. So the above reactions we noted that the alkoxide ion is a better proton acceptor than hydroxide ion. Okay, so compared to hydroxide means NaOH, the alkoxide is a more better accept the electrons. Okay, so the above conclusions, alkoxide are stronger bases. So compared to this sodium ethoxide and sodium hydroxide, which one is a more base character? Ethoxide, which means that is alkoxide is a more base character. Okay, this is the order of basicity of alkoxide. Okay, so this is for one more questions. Okay, so alcohol is a Bronsted base as well as acid. Okay, right. Why phenol is more acidic than alcohol? Okay, here the phenol, it produce phenoxide ion, alcohol it produce alkoxide ion. Compared to this phenoxide ion and alkoxide ion, so which one is a more acidic? Okay, the acidic character is related with due to the stability of relative stability of alkoxide ion as well as the phenoxide ion. Okay, here you see that this is phenol. Okay, phenol, here the H is present. Okay, so if you want you mentioned, otherwise no problem. The phenoxide ion, the pair of electron is on the oxygen, it contains the pair of electron. So this pair of electron is donate this particular carbon atom, it creates the partial double bond. So here the nearest to double bond is not possible, so the electron delocalization, pi bond delocalization takes place. So the negative charge it attains ortho position as well as the para positions. Okay, the pi bond delocalization takes place. Okay, here that is the phenoxide ion, it undergoes resonatic structure because of minus I effect. Okay, so keep it in that minus I effect. This pair of electron donates, create the partial double bond, two nearest double bond is not possible, so electron, the delocalization takes place, the pi bond is shifting, it is present in ortho position and para positions. This is higher the stability, higher would be the more stable. Okay, so here this alkoxide ion, there is no possible, because here this alkoxide ion, the plus I effect, electron releasing. Okay, so electron releasing group decrease the acidic character, electron withdrawing group increase the acidic character. Okay, so that only phenol is a more acidic than alcohol. Okay, so this is one question. Okay, right. Due to this concept, resonatic structure, plus I effect and minus I effect, you have to write and get the marks. Okay. After that, another one subdivision, effect of substituent on acidity of phenol. Okay, in the presence of substituent group also, it causes the decrease or increase the acidic character of phenol. Okay, here you see phenol, this is phenol, but in the presence of substituent like this alkyl group, methyl group is present. Okay, so what's happened? At the same time, phenol, the NO2 group, that is electron withdrawing group, NO2 group is present in the phenol. Okay, so effect of the substituent, which makes, listen, an electron donating group such as alkyl group decreases the stability of phenoxide ion, because already we studied this is plus I effect, so keep on releasing, so they decrease the stability. Okay, right. So this plus I effect, it decreases the acidity of phenol. Okay, an electron donating group such as NO2 group, the presence of NO2 group increases the stability of phenoxide ion due to minus I effect. So it increases the acidity of phenol. Okay, so this is one more question. Normal phenol, no problem. Phenol compared with alcohol, which one is phenol is a more acidic because of the resonating structure of phenoxide ion. Okay, so comparison of these two, presence of alkyl group or else presence of electron withdrawing group. Alkyl group means the electron releasing group, it leads to decrease the acidic character. The benzene ring, the presence of NO2 group, electron withdrawing group, increase the acidic character. Okay, so this is all very important. Okay, right.